Hey everybody, how you doing? It's your host Edward L. Moore back with another edition of Motivational Mondays. I want to take the time to say thank you to everybody that has shared the videos and that has subscribed to the channel. It's because of you that I'm able to share this message that God has given me with more people. This week I want to talk to you from the subject of dealing with past hurts. You know, in life we have all experienced hurt. You know, we have all had people in our lives that have hurt us, that have done things to us, that have left scars and has left an impact on our lives. So that's what I want to talk to you about today, is about really taking ownership and taking responsibility over the healing that must take place so that we don't get stuck not being able to move forward as a result of some of the things that have happened to us. You know, sometimes in life we look for people to apologize to us and or right some of the wrongs that have happened to us. But unfortunately, the reality is that might not always happen. So one of the things that's important that people don't realize is that sometimes when things happen to you, you know, we can almost take on the role of a victim. And I'm not dismissing or minimizing some of the things that you have been through. But what I want to impress upon you today, that it is your responsibility for your healing. Because people that have done things to us, they go on with their lives. They go on about living their lives and don't even think about us. But we end up being the ones stuck with the scars, the pain, and the residue of the things that happened to us. So it's our responsibility to go about getting some healing in our lives so we don't get stuck in a place of bitterness. We don't get stuck in a place of unforgiveness. We don't get stuck in a place where we're not able to move forward as a result of some things that happened to us. Now, again, as I mentioned earlier, I do want to validate some of the things that happened to you. It wasn't your fault. It shouldn't have happened. But now that it has happened, we have to deal with it and realize that we must find a way to move forward despite whatever's happened in our lives. So I want to talk to you real briefly about some of the things that happen when you have unresolved hurt and pain in your lives. What begins to happen is it begins to affect every area of our lives. It begins to affect our relationships with other people, and it affects our ability to move forward. So what we had to do is take ownership for our own emotional and psychological well-being, and realize that it's our responsibility to get the healing that's needed for us to move to the next phases of our lives. In order to get the healing that we need, you got to lay all your problems before the Lord and realize that He can take the hurt, He can take the pain, He can take the frustration, the anger, the rage, the bitterness that you feel and transform that and completely heal you. As always, I don't take the opportunity lightly to be able to speak into your life. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Motivational Mondays. Have a blessed week.